Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem perfect number. So first let us understand the question and then we would solve it. So basically in this question we are given a number, let's say 23. Now I need to find the factorial of both the digits, that is factorial of 2 plus factorial of 3. Okay, so factorial of 2 is 2 into 1 while factorial of 3 is 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now this is 2 while this is 6. So 2 plus 6 is 8. Now you can clearly see that 23, the original value is not equal to 8. So this is not a perfect number. Okay, now let's take another example. Let's say n is equal to 1, 4, 5. Okay, that means factorial of 1 plus factorial of 4 plus factorial of 5. Okay, factorial of 1 is 1 itself. Factorial of 4 is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus factorial of 5 is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, now 1 plus this is 24 plus this is 120. Okay, so the total would be 25 plus 120, that is equal to 145. Now you can see that the factorial sum is equal to the original value, right? 145 is equal to 145. So 145 is a perfect number. Okay, I hope the concept of a perfect number is clear to you. Now let's move forward to the solution part. Okay, what you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose school. Okay, then find the problem perfect number. Once you find the problem, click on solve problem. Okay, I hope you guys have no doubt in it. Now let's move forward. Okay, here is the problem. Let's read it. Given a number n, check if it is perfect or not. A number is perfect if sum of factorial of its digit is equal to the given number. Okay, I hope the question is clear to you and we would be coding it over here. So let's start. Okay, so let's start. Enter. First factorial. 1 minute, let me factorial. Okay, then 0 star 10. Okay, enter factorial equal to 1, right? 0's factorial is 1, right? Enter for loop for I. Now I need to find the factorial of each digit in the number, right? 1 to 10, right? Colon, enter. Fact of I is equal to fact I. This is over here I am writing the formula of calculating factorial. Okay, so this is the formula of calculating factorial and I need to store the factorial of each digit calculated, right? So storing n. Okay, enter. Initially the sum is 0, right? 0, enter. Then while n is the number, okay, n colon, enter. Now sum. How are we calculating sum? I am adding the factorials together, right? So factorial n modulus 10. Okay, now next enter n floor value with 10. Enter. Now return 1. If it is a perfect number, return 1. If, how can I return 1? If the store value is equal to sum. So basically sum is the factorial sum while the store value is the original number n. Okay, if both of them are equal, then you can return 1. Okay, else you need to return 0. Else return 0. Okay, now I need to check if it is correct or not. So I would click on compile and run. 1 minute, let's wait. Okay, there is an error. Let's see the error. 1 minute. There is an error in the last line. Let me check. Okay, I don't need to write return. I can just write 0, right? That was my mistake. Compile and run. Let's wait because return only needs to be written once. Okay, there is again an error. Let's see what's the error. 1 minute. Fact is not defined. 1 minute. Let me check. Okay. Okay, 1 minute. Fact 0. Okay, 1 minute. It should be equal to here. Okay. Now let me click on compile and run. So let's wait. Okay, the compilation is completed and my output is matching with the expected output and now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem perfect number. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button and subscribe our channel. And thank you for joining me today. Thank you.